S2, Ronald Lucelo. S3, Kenneth Baruga. S4, Major Leader Princess Ann Basagre. DLC Leader Dave Alcuetas. CTP Company Commander Dante Alcuetas. Company XO James Ivan Consorte. First Platoon Leader Boys Russell Hertes. Second Platoon Leader Girls Janet Sabas. Principal Wenceslao V. Santiago. CTP MAPI Facilitator Mark Jan Francisco, Gian Javier, and Rosa Mer Ovina. Karen Olieres. Major Coordinator Corina Larissa and Danisa Batan. DLC Coordinator Jeremy Puliero, Eric Boag, Janet Arales, Jinky Asuela. Christian Adrian Bibatan, DLC Trainer. Ladies and gentlemen, from La Victoria, Bula, Camarines Sur, La Victoria High School CTP Unit. Thank you very much. Entry number 9. That was the last entry for Category 1, La Victoria High School, Hanis Abanwan, Bula.